Well, there ain't no shortage of jigs in here, that's for sure.
Just got down here to the Fox River, Voyager Park, De Pere, Wisconsin. Got Jay up there, got Ben. Today, plan on coming out here to clean up. Visibility is only about a foot. I can see a lure right here. There we go. Let's get up there.
I'm gonna sit down, let this soak in. Oh yeah, I can feel it entering my lower back. It's moving up. That's our first find. Got some line here. Someone's glasses. Get all this line off here. There's a lure right here. Look at that. Some more line here. Wow, look at all the line. Fish and crayfish, mud puppies get all caught up on this stuff. And it's nice to get it out of here. We got this here too. Can yank off. There's one. This is what happens. That's a crayfish caught up on this line. So I got my line cutters here. Thank you, line cutters. He ain't happy. All right, you're free. We got a lock here. A lot of line. How's it going? Don't drop that in the water.
I came to see you.
Oh, awesome. Well, thanks for coming to see me. I got to start moving so I don't get chilly here.
Yeah.
Can I go out here? Will I be on your way out here? Thank you. I'm okay? Okay, thank you. Got another victim here, and he's got big old pinchers, so we're gonna try to not get pinched by that guy. It's just hard to do this when your fingers get colder. There we go. You're free. Get it in there. A nice one. Gotta get it out. There's a lot of it. There we go. Alright, she's getting cold. Got a lot of air left, that's for sure. Whew, get chilly. Am I in your way? Okay, thanks. Brand new. There's a fishing rod in here somewhere. Well, there ain't no shortage of jigs in here, that's for sure. Cold. Since the water's 39. Get that blood flowing. This is how shallow it is here. Get some feeling in there. Oh, cool. Feel alive.
Just finished the dive here at the Fox River, De Pere, Wisconsin, Voyager Park. Let's see what we got today. So in the beginning there, I found this infinity flashlight with a seatbelt cutter on there, a window punch thing. Got a bottle out of there, broken bell thing here. Got this really cool rip and wrap. Found some sunglasses, and of course, ow, found some lures today. Nice pile there. Let's size this up next to Jason. See, this pile is as big as Jason. fun dive, pretty cold. My feet are white, my hands are red, but they're ice cubes. Jason didn't want to go in there today for some reason. He just want too cold.
Too cold.
Come on, I was in there for like
Minutes.
It's in there about 45 minutes today. Anyway, gonna go back home, process these lures, edit some videos, you know,